So we're gonna get right to it. I have some cornrows, I have a brown wig cap to match my skin complexion, and I'm going to be bobby pinning my cornrows up so that my wig cap can lay flat. Now I'm going to pull my wig cap down so that it covers my ears, but only so that I'm able to cut little ear holes. My scissors were dull, so I ripped the ear holes a little bit, which made it less precise, but it ends up still pretty cute at the end. It's really all about the finesse, guys. I am not a professional. So now I'm going to be spraying Got To Be glue spray along the wig cap, and it's Got To Be glue free spray, not wig spray. And what this will do is just hold the wig cap down onto my cornrows and helps protect my hair from the glue. I'm using my scissors to cut a line down the wig cap, and then I'll cut down the perimeter of the wig cap. Now I cut a little bit too much off on this side, but I'll be able to finesse it in the end. I'm adding some Got To Be free spray to my sideburns, and on this cool setting, I am blow drying the wig cap so that it stays down. I'll be doing the same thing on this side. Make sure you guys are using your blow dryer on the cool setting, because the hot setting tends to make your hairspray dry white. Now I'm just showing you guys my wig and how bomb the lace is, and immediately after I place the wig on, it's like instantly matches my skin tone. I'm in love. So I'm going to be using Got To Be gel as opposed to Got To Be glue. The glue is just too harsh on my edges and on my skin. I break out, so I prefer to use the gel. It works pretty much the same, it just doesn't last as long, which is fine because I like to take my wigs off at night anyways. So I'm just going to be using my comb to lay my edges flat and following up with the Got To Be free spray and my blow dryer on the cool setting. I just did that process again just to make sure that the wig is secured down very well. Since this is the first install, I want it to last at least like 3 days. So now I'm just pulling the wig down onto the glue, onto the gel and the spray adhesive, and pressing it down with my rat tail comb. And then I'm cutting down the middle, and then I get my razor and I use my razor to cut the lace down the hairline. The razor just makes the cut less even so that it looks more realistic on your hairline. I'm using my rat tail comb to press it down onto the adhesive. And then I'm just using the razor and the scissors to go along the hairline and cut off any extra lace that does not need to be there. I'm going to repeat that same step, cutting the lace down the hairline using my razor and following up with the scissors. Cutting the ear tabs off so that the wig fits around my ear. I needed to secure the ear tab and the sideburns, so I added some more gel and some more spray, and then I used my blow dryer on the cool setting to lay it down. So I'm using some rubbing alcohol to clean all that hairspray off my forehead, all that gel that it dried up. Rubbing alcohol is your best friend. You use it to clean it up, use it to melt your lace, and then follow up with some concealer so that your lace blends in with your complexion. Now you can also do this before you put your wig on. I honestly just forgot to, so yeah. I'm using my comb to unbraid the edges. Let me tell y'all, this wig is so bomb. She had the edges braided down, okay? So now that I've taken the edges out, I'm just putting some oil on them and then following up with some mousse because they have hardened a little bit from the hairspray. Using my scissors, I'm just cutting the baby hairs to make them look more realistic and forming my, swoops or whatever you want to call them. Now, I did end up going back and cutting these even further, but for the sake of the video, I was kind of just in a rush and wanted to hurry up and put this wig on because I was so excited. So yeah, I'm going to insert a clip of how I further customize my wig at the end so y'all can see how flawless it came out. Repeating the same step on the next side, just cutting the edges so that they're more realistic and more natural looking, cutting the sideburns, and then using the mousse to form the baby hairs and the swoops. And this is my final result. I'm going to put just a little bit more concealer across the hairline and the parts so that it really blends in well. But I am so happy with how it came out. It looks so good. I'm going to show you guys some different ways I can wear it and the versatility of it. Giving half up, half down. Part, y'all, this wig is everything. Like, look at this wig. You literally cannot tell that I did not sit in a chair for 12 to 14 hours getting this done. If you gotta go to work, you need to have your hair out your face. Real cute. Period. Overall, guys, I love this unit. It's so versatile. It looks so natural. It literally looks like it's coming from my scalp. Okay, she did her thing with this. I'm going to leave all her information in the description down below so you guys can check out the deets for yourself. But this is bomb and I'm feeling myself, okay? I am. I'm so amazed at how good this wig looks. But I'm going to drop a clip of how I customize it even further. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love ya.
you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me?